In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Google Play gift card on Amazon and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to try to redeem a Google Play gift card. I'm going to be doing this through the Amazon website, but you can try following along through the app. So first, if you go over to your account page, you will be able to browse through all of the payment methods that you have registered. So you can browse through all of the options and see the payment methods currently attributed to your Amazon account. If you tap the option to add a payment method, you will see the main ones. So an FSA or HSA card, credit or debit card, personal checking account, and then EBT card. As you can clearly see, there is no option related to Google Play. So do we have to just proceed to checkout directly instead of adding the payment method beforehand? Well, if you add any eligible items to your cart and you proceed to checkout, once again, you can see the payment methods available for your account. If you tap Add New, you will see even less payment methods available. So as it stands today, how do you actually link your Amazon and your Google account? Or how do you redeem the funds from your Google Play gift card and use them on Amazon? Is it possible to do this? Well, sadly, as it stands today, you cannot directly use a Google Play gift card on Amazon. It is impossible to directly connect both of these services, and because of this, you will not be able to receive the funds on your Google Play gift card on Amazon. There is no known workaround to get this to work, so sadly, if you have a Google Play gift card, the only possible use is going to be through the Play Store itself. You cannot in any way, shape, or form get the funds from that gift card inside of your Amazon account. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of redeeming your Google Play gift card and telling you how to use it properly. And as long as you redeem it on the Play Store instead of Amazon, you will be able to get the funds. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to use Google Play gift card on Amazon. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.